Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Yeah, this is an update. I did this on Friday, so that's where these green and red lines are coming from. And, is update really the right word, or is it more so kind of confirmation? Kind of a mixture of both. Confirmation in the sense of this red line here that I talked about on Friday has indeed proved to be a level of resistance. Again, if you look right here, you can see that sure, the price was able to push up above it, but that didn't last very long, and then the price ultimately did fall back below it. So 0.1537 has certainly been confirmed as the level of resistance and is kind of the near-term public enemy going through the remainder of the week. So 0.1537 again, that key level of resistance. Another one to keep an eye on, if the price can push up through that level, is not that far away. You have the pink line there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average. But as it stands right now, I don't want to get too far ahead of ourselves. Bulls first just got to concentrate on getting above the red line there, and then they can start to worry about doing battle with the 200 period simple moving average. But those are going to be the two couple areas of resistance as the week unfolds. As far as levels of support, yes, you still have this overall one down here at 0.137, but given the price isn't that close to it, I'm not going to call it irrelevant because it is relevant, but like I said, not totally relevant within the shorter term time span of things. Really, the more relevant one seems to be the level that has appeared after today. And that is right here at, what is this, 0.148. You can see several times, I'm not going to count, but numerous occasions today, the bulls, or excuse me, the bears try to press down through that level. You can see a bunch of times there, and then later on in the afternoon, actually, the price didn't even test it. So the main point here is, though, right around here, the bears tried and tried and tried, but to give full credit to the bulls, apparently buyers have stepped up at 0.148. So that's that near-term level of support that, ideally speaking, you want to see hold. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls through it, I'm not saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. I'm just saying that after today's price action, buyers have appeared there. And ideally, you want to see those buyers stay there because, obviously the higher and higher buyers are willing to bid, that is just a good sign of strength for the chart. So 0.148, that shorter term level of support, and then that level of resistance remains up there at 0.1537. So interesting day today, still work to be done, but the bulls seem to have built a little bit of a higher base there. So we'll see if they can continue to build in the upwards direction or not.
One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.